So I actually have a pretty long list of winning products that you could sell on Shopify right now, but in this video, we're going to be going over 4 of them. And if you watch this video, you'll have the list as well. So guys, before we get started, if you could make that gray thumbs up button turn blue, I'd be pretty grateful. So YouTube really likes it when you make that gray thumbs up button turn blue for some reason. So if you could do that, I would be extremely happy. Guys, so without further ado, let's hop into the first product. And guys, by the way, I'm going to show you exactly where you can get all of these products so that you can start selling them on your stores as well. So the first product that we're going to talk about is this one right here, and it is a blue light pair of glasses. So this site right here called Barner is selling them, and they're selling pretty good. Businesses are starting to work online a lot because of the situation that we all know of right now. They're making their employees work online. People are staring at their computers for long hours. So these glasses right here, which are blue light glasses, are an excellent item that you can sell on your store. Now they are selling like hotcakes. Now this site is making about $200,000 per month selling these glasses. Now you can see right here that as soon as you get onto their site and you scroll down, they're the first one that they're promoting, right? So clearly they're getting a lot of sales from this one product alone. So they say right here that people are spending almost 9 hours a day on average in front of digital devices, and these glasses will help to improve your sleep, reduce eye strain, and cause less headaches and migraines. Now, people are definitely buying these glasses. Adults are buying them, but the adult glasses are a little bit saturated because people have seen that they're an excellent product to start promoting right now. You could actually start selling the kids version of them. So these right here, this is Aliexpress. They're selling them on Aliexpress for $3, and they're really nice and colorful. And these are being sold constantly, about 30 to 60 orders per day, and they're selling like hotcakes, guys. So for sure, if you start selling this product, you will be very successful. So I don't want to get copyrighted there. These are the adult versions of the glasses right here. They're selling them. So they're perfect for the office. They're perfect for people that work in front of a computer. And I want you guys to look here. So by all means, you could come onto AliExpress and start selling the kids version of them, because like I said, the adult version is a little bit saturated, but these kids ones are doing extremely excellent, and you can be very successful selling these products on your site, guys. Okay, so on to the next winning product. So recently, pet adoption rates have gone up quite a bit, and the sales of animal supplies, accessories, and things for your pets have definitely gone up about 200%. So this right here is a pet bed. Now this product is actually selling like hotcakes, guys. People are wanting to take good care of their pets, make sure that they're pampered and taken care of. So this right here is being sold on AliExpress for $13 to $48. Now, a regular bean bag that's being sold for humans is actually really expensive. So you could definitely mark this product up a lot and get good profit for it. And of course, people will buy anything for their pets nowadays, guys. So you should definitely take advantage of this. If you have a store that sells a number of things, you could definitely add this to your catalog and make some good profit from this. So pet beds are something that you want to look in. So and by the way, guys, now is the best time to do it right now, because like I said, the pet adoption rates are going up and people are just wanting to buy more and more pets, and they need supplies. They need accessories. So pretty much anything to do with pet supplies, pet accessories is something that you want to look into. So they have different colors here. They have like red, green, white, orange, literally a whole bunch of colors here. So you could choose from them and let your customers have their pick. Okay, over to the next winning product that you should probably be selling on your Shopify store. So this right here is the mosquito door net. Now summer is coming up. We're wanting to open their doors and let fresh air in. Now you don't want mosquitoes to come into your house, so you could definitely start selling this. You could target families, you could target people with kids and parents. Guys, this product right here is having consistent sales, and the sales volume is quite consistent, guys. So if you can target people that have pools that have probably like a mosquito issue. So for sure, this is an excellent product to sell on your store. It's selling like hotcakes, guys. And guys, this is the best time to sell this because summer is coming up. And you can see that this one has designs on it. So the customer can choose which design they want. If they want something that is plain, that's there as well. So guys, anything to do with killing mosquitoes, anything to do with keeping the mosquitoes out of your house is a smart thing to sell right now because summer is coming up, and summer is going to be a couple of months, so you're going to have some good sales there. Okay, so over to the next product we're going to be looking at. So this right here is a kids sprinkler mat. So again, summer is coming up, so you want to target people with kids. You want to target family. So guys, I just wanted to mention something about this mosquito door net right here. It can definitely do about 10K per month. It has a potential to do 10K per month. It's being sold for $870, between $870 to $1162. But guys, you can definitely mark this up and get some really good profit for this product. Okay, over to the next product that I mentioned. So this is the toy sprinkler mat. And guys, summer is coming up and students are going to be at home, kids are gonna be at home. They're gonna be looking for things to do, right? They're gonna be spending time with their friends, and this is a really smart product to promote. So it's a really cute product that you could buy for your kids. You could sell to people that have kids. And guys, this product right here is a winning product. So you want to make sure that you take a look at this page right here on Aliexpress. They have the specifications. So if you're selling this product on your site, you could definitely come here and find all the dimensions and the features. Here it says that it's soft, so you could add that to your site if you want it. It has a thickness and it has the age range. So this product would be targeted for kids that are 6 years old and 8 years old, around that age, guys. So this is a really nice product and really attractive for parents around this time, guys. So you want to look into that. Guys, make sure that you check out my other videos and you'll find really unique ways that you could make money online right now. I've made a number of videos that you find ways that you'd like to make money yourself with. So guys, I'll come up with another video. I'm coming out with another video with winning products that you could sell on Shopify pretty soon, so make sure that you look out for that. And if you haven't, guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you're still here, I want you to type in winning products down in the comments below. Type in winning products down in the comments below. Like I always say, I just love knowing who's watching still this deep into the video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving me your time. And I hope you are super successful with your drop shipping store, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for